But yeah, this is the new trailer. Not that much to do. Little bit more small things like sealing the antenna tupe or antenna mast on the roof. Change the sky window or the roof window. Fix couple issues with the paint here. Something has been hitting here and chipped the paint away. Paint those plastic pieces from the outside. Check all the front lists and everything. And we are going to change these the middle rubber covers for the screws. And what we are going to do is that basically we are ordering 200 meters, and it's stupid amount what you can order, because basically you need maximum 50 meters for one trailer, and you cannot order 50 meters, or yeah you can, but it's costing 50 euros plus shipping. So for 77 euros plus shipping you can get 200 meters. So what we are going to do, we are going to order 200 meters, and we take 50 meters, we pack that one pack, we take 50 meters, we pack that one pack, we take 50 meters, we pack that one pack, and we take 50 meters for us, and we are selling 3 packs of the 50 meters. Maybe for something like 30 euros, so we even make a little bit profit from that. So, because the 50 meter is something what everyone needs, but no store is selling 50 meters. So, at the front we don't really have any issues. We need to just oil that lock over there, because that is expensive to get new one. And then just fix those tone chipped stuff. I maybe replaced the red stripe here, because I have the new tape for that, from 3M. And it wasn't that cheap. These are a little bit weird. We have the new covers for these, but in some models these are screws, but now it seems like there is the rivet here. Somebody did try to seal something here back in the days. This is also one spot where is the leaking happening, because the list has like lip here, so the water goes here or comes from here, and it cannot go anywhere until it has good amount of water. There is screw missing. There is somebody did use a nice rusted screw here. I'm just taking that away, using the stainless steel screw over there. These are all cracked and there is moisture, so I need to check something, figure out something for that. That is cracked, that I need to just make it stronger from the other side. That handle is pretty okay, I don't see anything at the front. This handle is like loose, maybe there is moisture inside, it can be happening. So that needs urgent fixing. I maybe just take these lists away, take the putul away and so on, and change this. The rubber is, some spots it's like rock hard. And then just same goes with the grills, at least the bottom grill, just put some glue around the installation or the grill or the base. This is the cover, there is the base. Just because you are driving and a lot of the moisture is coming here, that I'm going to take away, paint that black. And usually it's cracking. No, yeah, that screw doesn't have anything anymore here. Just, you know, add a little bit epoxy or something like super glue, what is super strong at the other side, so the holes are not cracking so easily. The other way is basically install washer here and longer screws, so it's is staying top of the hole or the groove here. This thing is costing good amount of money, so. And same goes here. You want to just make sure that it's not leaking the water inside. These have like brown tint on the windows, originally. So I don't know. Tinting these will be interesting option. And something like this is something what we want to seal. Also check everything from the top and the sides. So that if there is a heavy rain, then it's just going and falls down. Just to be sure that nothing is. It's not like. I think it's not like major issue. There is some old puddle here, but I can feel that there is like a little bit groove or space between the wall and the window seal or the. What is that? There is something inside the window. If you want to tint these are super easy. Just open those and slide those hinges away. Only problem is you need to do something with these. I think these are just held down by screws. They go through the window. But then you have the flat surface to work on. This we can just take away. These are a little bit sad. It's like the crack is like from inside, but it's the outer layer. I have the windshield repair kits. Where is the glue and everything? What is the UV and UV light and everything? I don't really want to do anything about those, but I still want to do something about those. But I cannot feel anything like hole or anything, so if there is hole or something like or dent or something, I can just fill that with the UV glue and just harden that. But if I cannot feel anything, then it's that is a little bit sad because it's in the two windows. That means those can crack all the way and the window is then done. These all these I'm taking away and changing the glue under here. And same goes with the back handles and everything. And new black nice rubber covers here. And oh, this has the rubber cover under the bumper. The old Solifer was missing this one. So that I'm painting. That I'm painting, and that I'm painting. I hope that we are getting a little bit more life by painting and fixing those right away. Why you don't just do a wood glue or something? Why the fuck you put something like duct tape here? I'm not professional electric. This goes to this speaker wire goes to the 12 volt socket, what is on the top of the table. And the other wire goes here, in this mesh here. And then the other wire goes to the under the 230 volt. But it's not connected to I'm not going to fucking put that inside that. Like it's 12 volt socket and this is 230 volt and this is 12 volt. I don't know how the fuck I don't really even want to know how the hell somebody did mix those. So basically now this Matti needs to come out of here and we need to change that with the Victron. I'm not sure how the hell we are going to do that. We have the Victron fast connectors where is the O-rings or the O-ring connectors. Yeah, I can cut those and use fast connectors or screw up the sugar pieces. and connect those with these cables for now, and I can just keep the charger here in here. But there is going to be connection posts or bolts here, or posts and or the bolts and nuts screwed on the wall. So for that we need also the fast connector. No, yeah, I can always make new heads for the or the connectors for the cables. But what I think I'm going to do right now, when it's not raining, at least not like any major rain or anything, we are going to take those away, or try at least. I don't know, the glue is like something like urethane glue or something. It's like glass or rock solid, and it's cracking. Maybe Sikaflex or something. Yeah, it would be wiser to just use the glue, black glue at the top side, and maybe just Dremel this bottom lip here. Maybe just like makes even small hole here, hole here, like Dremel a little bit from the corner or somewhere. So if the water is getting inside from this side, then it's coming out from somewhere. I want to show you something. So what is the major issue here? This thing has the lip here, under here, so nothing is getting away or tripping away from inside here. And as you can see, the roof panel is not connected to this aluminum here, so there is gap. So all the dirt is basically just piling up inside here, and it cannot get away. And so it's filling this area here, and when the rain is coming down here, it goes inside this and inside the sand and everything what is here, and it cannot go anywhere because this is pretty damn tight fit over here, and it's even little bit installed putul here. So the water level rises inside, and the moisture level rises inside, and the dirt level rises inside. And where it goes from this seam here and inside the damn front wall. This is something what you need to also clean and just check that there is nothing like gap top of here. But that is bad. There is like 3 mm, 4 mm gap between the aluminum panels. That is super bad. And most of the cases this is the same list what you take away, and you can find the same gaps all along with that list. So maybe from the factory they didn't use that much putul or anything, because there is putul everywhere else, but not in the between the panels. So there is putul, lot of putul here, just coming out of everywhere. Putul here, and that is the reason why these are also one of the reasons why these are also usually always having the moisture inside the wall in the front of the Solifer trailers. I don't know if you can get the new covers for these. It will be easier to just get the cover, but I'm not going to pay like fucking 30 euros for one piece because I need 2 pieces. So this is basically solid plastic on top of the aluminum, and then there is hole here going inside, and the hole, or basically the dent or whatever, has like one hole in the middle where the cables go inside, and that has the glue also.